Hi Capricorn! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo dun. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you for the month of August. For Capricorn, please. Capricorn. Capricorn. Message, energies for the month of August for Capricorn. The Wheel. A time of positive change. A situation suddenly moves forward. Okay. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng movement in your situation, in your personal life, or sa career, okay? It is going to be a positive change, pagbabago. Yung matagal nyo nang inaantay, magkakaroon na ng resulta, okay? Gumagalaw na for you, okay? Capricorn, please. For Capricorn. Messages, energies for Capricorn. Things are moving fast for you, Capricorn. Sa trabaho man to or sa business mo, okay, madaming ganap na nangyayari. All at the same time in your situation, okay? Madami kayong mga information na tatanggap or mga request or mga good news at the same time. Okay? Sa kaperahan man yan, sa trabaho mo. Okay? Delays are over for you. It's starting to move. Kung ano man yung mga plans ninyo before, na feeling nyo you are stuck up, walang galaw, walang movement. Okay? Meron ng improvement ngayon. Yeah. You are looking forward to it. Okay? Good news about financial matters. You will be receiving good news about your finances. Yes. Okay? Development sa inyong mga plans. Magkakaroon ka ng hope, pag-asa. Okay. Yeah. May mga balita kang matatanggap na magbibigay sa iyo ng pag-asa about your plans to move forward. Okay. Information that you will be receiving money. Yung matagal mo nang inaasam-asam or gustong mangyari. Happiness, contentment, emotional contentment, and material contentment, okay? Not only for you, but for your whole family, for your family. Joy, satisfaction, a rewarding family life. Okay? You will be receiving that news. Magandang balita para sa inyo, Capricorn. You have to believe, okay? You need to make up your mind also in making a decision, okay? May mga plans ka, may mga news ka na, okay, na matatanggap, may mga paraan or solusyon. All you have to do is to take action, okay? Huwag paurong-sulong sa mga decision, okay? Pag-isipan ng mabuti. This is the chance for you or the period na kailangan mo umpisahan kung ano man yung mga plans mo. Okay? It is for your own good. Yeah, believe in yourself, be confident. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, may mga self-fulfilling prophecies. Okay? That's why hindi matuloy-tuloy kung ano yung mga plans or gusto ninyong mangyari. Okay? Madami kayong iniisip o inaalala. Okay? So you have to overcome it to enjoy kung ano man tong abundance or money or your finances na magandang balita or mga plans mo that has the opportunity or the potential to grow. You have to start doing it. Okay? Believe. Yes. So, do not procrastinate. Okay? May mga para sa'yo complex or parang hindi madali yung pagdidesisyonan ninyo. Okay? You have a lot in mind na gagawin mo dapat or nagagawin ninyo. Meron kayong gustong gawin, gustong bilhin, gustong puntahan. Okay? But then again, the problem is you are spending too much time sa pag-iisip at sa pag-iisip ng hindi maganda din. Okay? That's why you are not moving forward. Okay? So, take advantage kung ano man tong matatanggap ninyo na news, good news, or potential about your career, about your finances. Okay? Do not take too long para makapag-decide ka. Yeah. Yeah, you're spending too much time on your head, sa isip mo. You need action, you need confidence. Okay? You need to be decisive at the same time. Okay? And discerning. Kung ano man yung gusto ninyong mangyari, check everything, okay? Yung mga advantages and disadvantages. Okay? Yeah. Take a leadership sa situation mo. Decide. Speak your mind. Kung may mga kailangan ka or may mga questions ka, okay, and you need clarifications, ask someone na makapagbigay sa inyo ng wise or magandang advice. Okay? Yeah. And also, you need to stand up for yourself. Kung ano man yung mga desisyon na kailangan mong gawin sa buhay, okay, sa personal life mo, whether in the relationship, okay, sa friendship mo man yan, sa career, sa trabaho, sa kaperahan mo, sa business mo, you need to take a stance, speak your mind, speak up, okay? Communicate. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga ayusin kayo, okay? Na mga documents. Yeah. For some of you, you will be traveling. You are receiving news. Good news to travel, okay? And it seems na parang fearful ka or hindi mo pa na-make up yung mind mo kung tutuloy ka ba or hindi. Okay? So, nakiisip ka pa. Okay? Yeah. Be flexible as well. Kung nakapag-decide ka na and all that, take action. Okay? Pag may mali or hindi maganda, then correct it. Okay? Yeah. So, kung ano man yung decision mo, it will give you kapanatagan ng loob, healing. This is going to be a wish come true para sa inyo. Kung ano man tong plans or gagawin, it is destined for you. Ano? Destined to para sa'yo, para gawin mo or para puntahan mo man to or para i-take mo itong opportunity na to. It has, marami siyang mga potential na idudulot sa inyo. Kaperahan man sa career mo to, okay? Development, yeah, personal development, okay? travel. Yeah, for some of you, maybe you are traveling abroad or you're working abroad. Meron kang good news na matatanggap about this, na it's positive, it's okay. Okay, may mga ayusin ka ng mga documents, okay? Contracts, okay? And that you are ready to go. You will be preparing the documents first, arrange it, or yung mga itinerary mo, okay? You need to have the willpower and the courage to pursue your dreams, Capricorn. Okay? Yeah. It will bring material contentment, emotional fulfillment sa inyo. Hindi lang sa iyo, kundi sa buong pamilya mo. Kasaganahan, prosperity, happiness. Okay? So, decide and take action. Minsan nasa isip mo lang, no? That's why parang ito yung blockage eh. Hindrance, kumbaga, pumipigil sa inyo because of your thoughts. Hindi ka nagtitiwala. Parang hindi ka confident sa anong mangyayari sa inyo. You're not a risk taker. Okay? For some of you. Okay? You can take risk, but it should be a calculated risk. Alam mo yung mga pros and cons. Otherwise, you will just parang magstay ka lang sa ganitong sitwasyon if you're not going to do any action or decision. Do not wait too long, okay? Or do not waste more time para mag-decide ka, okay? But of course, you have to think everything, okay? Before you do the action. Pero wag lang yung to the point na puro negative yung naiisip mo. Okay. You are not trusting the situation. But here, there will be fulfillment, a travel. You need to be flexible on your decision. Documents and papers are needed if this is really what you want. Okay. And you know the pros and cons, the benefits. Yeah, if this is a new job overseas, okay, lahat ng mga legalities, you have to know it before you decide. Okay, boundaries. Okay, what is going to be the answer of your problem? Okay. If your problem is about material things, okay, parang walang movement sa inyong ginagawa, matagal mo na itong inaantay na opportunity na to or pagkakataon, then this is it. Okay? This is for some of you. Okay? Take a calculated risk. Check everything before you decide. Take action. And then action. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may bibilhin kayo. Okay, something important. Okay. But definitely, you will have to make a decision. You will have to decide. Merong significant ka na decision na gagawin, a complex decision. Okay, so be confident, trust your intuition as well. Okay, and be logical. Yeah, be logical. Based dun sa card mo. Okay? Ito yung mga energies na binibigay sa inyo for the month of August. The Wheel. Things suddenly will move forward for you, Capricorn. Kung dati stock up, ang tagal mo nang inaantay, walang movement. Yes, ngayon meron na. Yeah. Time to take action. Maybe you've been resting too long. You are procrastinating. Okay? Okay. Ano itong 8 of Wands? The High Priestess. Okay? Listen to your intuition. You know na may paparating na good news para sa inyo. You have the inner knowing. Okay? So, before you act, consider it. I mean, before you act, tingnan mo muna yung mga options. Okay? Mga options, tingnan mo nang mabuti. Alamin itong mga news na to na paparating sa inyo. Itong opportunities na to. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are waiting and may pakiramdam na kayo. You have the feeling na may positive or may good news na parating sa inyo. Okay? You have also to consider carefully before you decide. Yeah. Okay? Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, Ace of Wands. Career advancement. Para sa inyo to. Itong opportunity na paparating sa inyo. Okay, na good news. It has the potential to grow further. Okay. Kung career to, career advancement to para sa inyo. Okay. May enhance ang inyong creativity, expansion, and growth. Okay. Yeah, about work. Maybe for some of you, you are on the creative side, okay? You are doing something creative. Meron kang naisip na mga negosyo or business, okay? Meron kang go signal na yes, this is okay. World, yes, you need to decide. Yeah. Okay. Be confident, take pride. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, traveling, international. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are scared, natatakot. Okay, mag-take ng action, natatakot mag-travel, okay? You need to overcome your fear in order for you to grow and to advance. Advance yourself, develop yourself further, okay? Your personal being, trabaho mo, okay? Business man yan, okay? Yeah. Okay. Embrace new insights. Okay. Yeah. Take time to review carefully every options, all sides ng sitwasyon or ng opportunity. Yeah. Submit for some of you. Kung kinakailangan gawin, take the calculated risk, embrace the change, yung mga paparating sa inyo, new perspective, new insights, you need to be strong. Okay? Capricorn. You need to be strong. Okay? Accept the change. Palawakin ang pag-iisip at the same time. Different perspectives. Okay? Mga bagong insights, bagong ideas. You need to embrace it. Okay? Be strong. Do not be scared. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga ibang messages for Capricorn, please. Capricorn. Advice from a friend. Dog barking. Okay? For some of you, you need the advice from someone na mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Yung totoong kaibigan. 3, affairs with your family. Okay, may mga events or affairs, family affairs na magaganap sa inyo for the month of August. Okay. Gong, an exciting event. Okay. Yeah. Exciting event na mangyayari sa inyo. Good news. Something to look forward to. Okay. Ring. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, mag-uumpisa, okay, magkaroon ng sariling negosyo or business. Yeah. You need to take the risk, a calculated risk, I mean. Okay. Be confident, be strong, don't be scared. Take action. Okay. After mo mapag-isipan ng mabuti, all sides. Dogs, getting together with friends. Yes, there is celebration, announcement of this good news. Yeah. Meetups. Okay, with friends and family. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Yeah, deep personal strength. You need to be strong. Yeah. To take the chance, to take the opportunity, expand. Okay. You need to grow. There is an assurance of success for you. Capricorn. Okay. Tingnan natin from the Spirit Messages Oracle cards. Ano yung message for Capricorn, please? Capricorn. Capricorn. Accept where you are at this moment in time. Only then you can begin to move forward. Be clear about your intentions. This makes us easier for us and the universe to help you. Doors will open unexpectedly. Be ready. Okay. So, it's a validation of your reading. So, be ready, Capricorn. Good news. May paparating na good news sa inyo. Okay. For some of you, doors will open unexpectedly. Yung matagal nyo na, yung pinagplanuhan, matagal nyo na inaantay, or matagal nyo na ina-applyan na trabaho, okay? Things will suddenly move forward for you, okay? In a positive way. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa iyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!